Ads are getting worse, and that's just not me saying it. People all over the internet are complaining about ads. The most popular and the worst contender to this is YouTube. I have been very annoyed by how unskippable ads YouTube is pushing nowadays. Imagine having to watch two 60-second ads before even the video starts. And there are more ads in between the video, not to mention that YouTubers get sponsors in their video, which is also inherently ads. So nowadays, almost 25% of your video watching experience is actually ads. Not just that, if you go to a news or a blog site, you can sometimes see a little bit of the content through all the ads. But nowadays, you get ads even if you pay for the service, like in Amazon Prime Video. You also get obnoxious pop-ups all over your screen begging you to subscribe to their newsletter, which is again filled with ads. Sites nowadays even advertise blatant scams like some get-rich-quick course, inappropriate ads, and even malware. Since companies like Google prioritize paying customers over non-paying customers on their search engine, instances of fake websites to download legit software have been coming up. Can you tell me the difference between a fake one and a real one? No, right? Because the fake one looks exactly the same, has exactly the same file name, and is not detected by your antivirus. But boom, you now have a Trojan horse that has made you part of a botnet, which will get you arrested if the botnet performs a DDoS on some kind of server. Along with that, your data is being collected, harvested, processed, and sold off to companies just to show you targeted ads. Every single big tech company is collecting every small detail about your life. In some cases, these companies know more about you than your friends. Your data is collected and sold off to the highest bidders. This has a problem. If the company that had bought your data suffers a data breach, your data could end up anywhere on the dark web for anyone to use. Imagine waking up to see there's a $1 million loan under your name and there's nothing you can do except declare bankruptcy because someone got access to your social security number because your data was leaked in a data breach. You are constantly being monitored, your location, interests, search history, and even screen time, along with more information about you, are being used to give you more targeted ads, which is honestly creepy. Well, there is a reason why the big companies are doing this, right? Yes, big companies like Facebook and YouTube need to push more ads to make more money. As before, they strive to get new users, but now almost the entire world is using these websites. And to grow their business, they need to squeeze every last dollar they can make out of the users, even if it's by showing invasive ads. YouTube has now even blocked ad blockers, and even Prime Video is now showing ads even to paying customers. Even Google is planning to implement WebDRM and other stuff to block ad blockers completely. The worst thing about this is that you get ads even if you pay for the service. For example, Windows 11 shows you ads on Microsoft Edge and even in the whole operating systems. And yes, I suppose you bought a real Windows license and did not just pirate it. Amazon Prime Video also shows you ads even if you get a paid subscription. It almost feels like there's no hope down the tunnel. People have forgotten a world without ads. They have become an accepted part of the internet, mainly due to the freemium mindset. As more and more people want to use the service for free, companies have a higher profit by making their products ad supported. Yes, ads have their good uses as well. Internet is nowadays paid for by ads. Many services like YouTube, Instagram, and Spotify are free and open to the masses just because they're monetized by ads. Ads also give more exposure to a startup company. Remember the time when Grammarly used to push so many ads on YouTube? Well, that's how you got to know more about them. I mean, sure, even without free Spotify, you can pirate music, but it's just not that intuitive. I mean, ads are everywhere. They have become an accepted part of using the internet. What I and many other people want from companies is to just reduce ads, as sometimes ads are very annoying. Well, thank you for watching my video. If you guys liked it, then please like the video. And if you guys want to watch more of these kind of documentaries, then please subscribe. It helps me out a ton and gives me more motivation to create more interesting documentaries like these.